Most people buy the wrong TV box and only realize it after wasting their money. Online, many devices look impressive, but once you start using them, the problems appear. Slow menus, apps that lag, and streaming that constantly buffers are very common. The truth is, many TV boxes may look similar, but their real performance can be very different. Some are smooth and reliable, while others are simply not worth buying. So, before you spend your money in 2026, here are the best Android TV boxes you can buy right now. We will cover everything from great budget options to powerful premium devices. And trust me, the #1 device on this list still dominates the market. So, with that said, let us start the list. Coming in at number 10, we have the Rocktech GX1. This is a surprisingly capable Android TV box that offers strong features for its price. This device runs on the Realtek RTD1325 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This setup is more than enough for most streaming apps and everyday use. It also supports 4K HDR streaming, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. This gives you sharp visuals and immersive sound when watching movies or shows. One thing I noticed during testing is that the Google TV interface feels smooth. Navigation between apps like YouTube and Netflix is generally responsive. The box also includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, which helps with faster and more stable connectivity. The only limitation here is that the brand is not as widely known as some competitors. But overall, if you want a feature-packed budget Android TV box, the Rocktech GX1 is definitely worth considering. Coming in at number 9, we have the Macool KM2 Plus Deluxe. This is a powerful Android TV box that focuses on smooth streaming and strong connectivity. This device is powered by the Amlogic S905X4 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This configuration provides solid performance for streaming apps and multitasking. One thing that makes this box stand out is its Google-certified Android TV system. This means popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus work properly in 4K quality. It also supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, AV1 decoding, Wi-Fi 6, and Gigabit Ethernet. These specs help deliver smoother streaming and faster internet speeds. In real-world use, the interface feels responsive and streaming performance is generally stable. The only small drawback is that software updates from Macool are not always frequent. But overall, if you want a feature-rich Android TV box with excellent streaming support, the KM2 Plus Deluxe is a solid choice. Coming in at number 8, we have the Minix U8K Ultra. This is a premium Android media hub designed for users who want powerful hardware and advanced media playback. This device runs on the Amlogic S928XK processor and comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This gives it plenty of power for multitasking, streaming, and large media libraries. It supports 8K video output through HDMI 2.1, along with Dolby Vision and HDR formats. This means you get sharp visuals and improved contrast on compatible TVs. In real-world use, the system feels smooth and responsive. This is especially true when running media apps or local video playback. It also includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and Gigabit Ethernet for fast and stable connectivity. One limitation to note is that Netflix is not officially supported on this device. But overall, if you want a powerful media-focused Android box, the Minix U8K Ultra is a strong choice. Coming in at number 7, we have the Ugoos AM8 Pro 8K. This is a high-performance Android TV box designed for power users and media enthusiasts. This device is powered by the Amlogic S928XJ processor, combined with 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This layout gives it plenty of power for multitasking, heavy apps, and large media libraries. It supports 8K video output through HDMI 2.1 along with advanced formats like AV1 HDR and H.265. Because of this, video playback looks sharp and smooth on modern TVs. One thing I really like about this box is its connectivity. It includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and Gigabit Ethernet, which helps deliver fast and stable streaming. In real-world use, the interface feels very responsive. This is particularly noticeable for local media playback and heavy apps. The only downside is that it is not fully Google certified, so some streaming apps may have limitations. But overall, if you want a powerful, media-focused Android box with 8K support, the Ugoos AM8 Pro is a great choice. Coming in at number 6, we have the Formula Z11 Pro Max. This is a device that is especially popular among IPTV users and advanced streamers. This box runs on the Realtek RTD1319 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This hardware delivers smooth performance for streaming apps and multitasking. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second, along with modern codecs like AV1 and H.265. These features help deliver sharp and efficient video playback. One thing that really makes this device stand out is the MyTV Online 3 interface. This platform is widely considered one of the best apps for IPTV streaming. In real-world use, the interface feels responsive. Navigation between channels or apps is generally smooth. It also includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and Gigabit Ethernet for stable connectivity. The only drawback is that it is not fully Google certified, so some apps like Netflix may have limitations. But overall, if you want one of the best IPTV-focused Android boxes, the Formula Z11 Pro Max is a strong contender. Coming in at number 5, we have the ONN 4K Pro. This is a surprisingly powerful streaming device that delivers great value for its price. This box runs on a quad-core Cortex A55 processor and includes 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of storage. This memory capacity is quite generous for a device in this price range. It supports 4K Ultra HD streaming with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This ensures movies and shows look sharp and sound immersive on compatible TVs. One aspect I really like here is the connectivity. The device includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, a USB port, and even an Ethernet port. All of these features help deliver faster and more stable streaming. In real-world use, the Google TV interface feels smooth and responsive. It performs well when switching between apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. The only drawback is that the brand is mostly sold through Walmart in limited regions. But overall, if you want premium features at a budget price, the ONN 4K Pro is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 4, we have the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen. This is one of the most popular Android streaming boxes thanks to its balance of performance and price. This device runs on a quad-core Cortex A55 processor with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This specification is enough for most streaming apps in everyday use. It supports 4K Ultra HD streaming along with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Dolby Atmos, and DTS:*X. This means movies and shows look sharp and cinematic on compatible TVs. One thing I really like about this device is the Google TV interface. It makes it easy to discover content across apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. In real-world use, the system feels smooth for normal streaming. The Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity help maintain stable connections. The only limitation is the 2 GB of RAM, which can feel a bit tight if you run many apps. But overall, if you want a reliable and affordable Google TV streaming box, the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen is a great option. Coming in at number 3, we have the Amazon Fire TV Cube. This is one of the fastest and most advanced streaming devices available right now. This device features a powerful octa-core processor. This component makes it noticeably faster than most streaming sticks when launching apps or switching between menus. It supports 4K Ultra HD streaming with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, delivering sharp visuals and immersive sound on compatible TVs. What really makes the Fire TV Cube stand out is its hands-free Alexa integration. Unlike most streaming devices, you can control your TV, soundbar, or smart home devices simply by using your voice from across the room. In real-world use, navigation feels extremely fast. Streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube run very smoothly. The only downside is the Fire TV interface, which shows a lot of Amazon content and ads. But overall, if you want a powerful streaming device with smart home control, the Fire TV Cube is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2, we have the Google TV Streamer 4K. This is a modern streaming device designed to deliver a smooth and smart entertainment experience. This device comes with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This is a big upgrade compared to older Chromecast devices and allows you to install more apps without worrying about space. It supports 4K HDR streaming with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Because of this, movies and shows look sharp, while the sound feels more immersive on compatible TVs. In real-world use, the interface feels very smooth. Switching between apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video is fast and responsive thanks to the improved processor. Another thing I like is the built-in Ethernet port and smart home integration. This feature allows you to control devices directly from the TV interface. The only downside is that it is a bit more expensive than basic streaming boxes. But overall, if you want one of the best Google TV experiences available, the Google TV Streamer 4K is an excellent choice. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. This model is still widely considered the most powerful Android TV box you can buy. This device runs on the NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor with 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. It delivers extremely smooth performance for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. It supports 4K HDR streaming with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. It also features AI-enhanced upscaling, which can improve lower resolution content and make it look closer to 4K on modern TVs. One thing that really makes the Shield TV Pro stand out is its versatility. It supports Plex Media Server, GeForce Now Cloud Gaming, and expandable storage through 2 USB ports. This makes it much more than just a streaming device. In real-world use, the interface feels incredibly fast and reliable. The only downside is the higher price compared to most TV boxes. But if you want the best overall Android TV experience in 2026, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is still the king. So those were the best Android TV boxes you can buy in 2026. From powerful premium devices like the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro and Google TV Streamer to budget-friendly options like the ONN 4K Pro and Xiaomi TV Box S, there is a great choice for almost every type of user. The right TV box really depends on what you need most, whether that is performance, streaming quality, or overall value. Finding the right hardware can completely transform your home entertainment setup. Thank you for tuning in to TechVibes. If this video helped you find the right device, make sure to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more tech reviews and buying guides. And let me know in the comments, which TV box are you currently using?